In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome. If you're seeing Cloudflare behavior in your browser, it usually comes from a Chrome extension or from DNS settings on your computer. I'll walk you through both, starting in Chrome and then showing an alternative in Windows so you can fully clear it. Begin in Google Chrome. It doesn't matter what page you're on, even if you're currently on a Cloudflare site, the process is the same. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. This opens Chrome's Extensions page where you can see everything installed. Use the search bar on the Extensions page and type Cloudflare to quickly filter the list. When you find the Cloudflare extension, click Remove. Chrome will ask you to confirm, so click Remove again to finalize it. That uninstalls the extension and stops it from affecting your browsing. If you're not sure you want to uninstall, you can simply return here later and reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. After removing, it's a good idea to close and reopen Chrome to make sure everything resets cleanly. If you're still experiencing Cloudflare-related behavior, there's another common spot to check on Windows: your network DNS settings. Open the Control Panel on your computer. In Control Panel, click Network and Internet, then open Network and Sharing Center. On this screen, look to the right of the word Connections and click the link for your active network connection. In the connection status window that opens, click Properties. You'll see a list of items used by the connection. Select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4 and click Properties again. In the IPv4 properties window, make sure the DNS setting is set to obtain DNS server address automatically. If you previously set a custom DNS, such as Cloudflare addresses, switching to automatic will return control to your network or router's default DNS. Click OK, then close the remaining windows. At this point, you've removed the Cloudflare extension from Chrome and ensured your DNS isn't locked to Cloudflare on your Windows machine. To verify, restart Chrome and try browsing as usual. If a page was being modified by the extension, it should now load normally. If it was a DNS setting, your change to automatic will take effect as your connection refreshes. That's it. Follow these steps whenever you need to remove Cloudflare from Chrome or reset your DNS to the default. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.